Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to rearrange your products in WooCommerce on WordPress, right? There are a couple of things you got to do, but in this video we want to use a plugin here, and that plugin gonna help us achieve what we want, though there are methods which you can use without using a plugin. So using a plugin, it's a free plugin, you don't need to buy it or whatever, so it's up to you what you're gonna do. But let me do something. Let me check something here. So you log into your WordPress, click on plugins, looking for plugins here. After clicking on plugins, you come here and say sorry, add new. So what's the name of this plugin? This plugin, it's called Rearrange WooCommerce. So I'm gonna type in Rearrange WooCommerce, this one. So it's by Aslam Doctor. So this is the plugin you install. After you activate, okay, activate it. So now let's go see our product. So guys, don't forget, even you can buy stuff on my website. It's called view2tech.com. we sell a lot of things, but if you overseas, after buying, you go to contact page and use this email to tell us that I'm overseas. How is the arrangement for delivery? Because delivery is a little bit expensive if you are not in this country. So we can arrange by DHL or whatever. Maybe you can even pay it that side by yourself. We send you the weight of the product, but buy it. Yeah. So anyway, let me go back here. You can see how products are. This is the first product, so we want to see. iPhone is one of the first product. Let's go. So when you go to got to go to the plugin, go to products. After installing and activation of the plugin, go to products. So yes, then click on rearrange. Okay, that's it. Gold watch combo, bulk perfumes and all that. So this seems to be okay. Dolphin 15 piece. A lot of products here, a lot of them. So you can see what you can do here. Wall mirror, you can drag and drop the wall mirror there. Bring the wall mirror. Next to the round mirror here. It's too far. I wonder if I can see one of the products which are closer. It's too much products here. Okay, but that's the way you do. You play with this, put it down, up, play with this, put it up. After that, let me see, sort by, sort products, sort by categories. Okay, let's see. See by category what will happen. I'm gonna say baby stuff. Let me say kitchen and cookware. Let me use that and see. 16 piece. Okay. After doing that, let's try to say put this guy here. Do we have any save? Okay, we save changes. Say okay. Okay. See what we can see, if you can see any changes here. Nothing really changed because of what? Let me see. Because of one reason, I think. It could be because there's a lot of what products. So if I set that, let me go to shop. Oh, come on, shop already. So let me see. Guys, I've got a lot of products. The plugin doesn't have a pro. If I say sort by product, look how many products we have. A lot. So it wouldn't crash here. Okay, let me save this and see. It didn't even come closer to what I'm looking for. Okay, we're gonna try something also else. Let's see something else here. Okay, let me do something. Plugin works, but now the stress is products are many. Let me click on product, and I show you another method you can use. You can click on sort. Click on sort, then you can see how it's sorted here. So if you click on sort, you can see all the products here. Let me go. When I try to search one product here, I'm gonna search for this. No. Okay, let me put in iPhone. Okay, since we put on sort, yeah, this is the iPhone. Yeah, this is the iPhone. We want 32 GB good and all that. Instead of sorting, let's put it here. click on sort. Okay. Okay. Let me do that and see, apply and see. It might not work as well because the products are many too much. Okay, well, don't worry, do what I'm doing because it's gonna work for you. I've got a lot of products. I have to play with them and it will take a lot of time. So you can use the plugin, or you can use that method of just going here and click on products. Okay, those products are there. You can say sort. After saying sort, your products are not going to be like mine. Yours are closed here. We just drag and drop wherever I want them to be. So you can do this and say cannabis oil, put that there, and say most of these products are in draft. What's going on? Question. Wow. Oh no, this is not in product. Let me try to go slow. Okay, let me see. I don't expect the flask to be far. Let me see. There's a flask I've seen. Okay, maybe it's that one. Let me see. No, it's a different one. Okay, this is something. 2-piece kitchen tray. Which page is that tray on? Two-piece kitchen tray. Okay, let's see that tray. We want to make it come down. We put it here. Okay, is that the same? The same on page 1. Let me see. Page 1 is the 1, 2, 3. Okay. Second one, it didn't change, unfortunately. Let me see. Did you apply? Applied. Well, I don't know, that I could have a problem. My plugins and stuff, I need to update. Yes, I might need to update plugins and stuff, but that's the way you use. You can use a plugin, or you can use just a drag and drop. When you drag and drop, it should work for you, especially when you don't have a lot of items and also named your categories well. There is also another way by using code and stuff, but those are the easiest way I've tried to show you. Get me? Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, but do what I've done. Everything's gonna be okay. Tell us in the comment box if it worked for you. Yeah, but I couldn't stop the video. I have to show you that, and it will work for you, though it need not work in my case because of what? Because of a lot of categories, and also I have to update my plugins, WordPress, and all that.